Magnificent views of Geograph Bay, and that's before jumping into the chopper. 67 Floodgate Road is the perfect anchor point to experience all that the beautiful southwest has to offer. This property is the ultimate entertainer, with a gigantic second-story deck and wraparound patios, fully self-contained pool villa, swimming pool, tennis court, wine cellar, spa and deck. There's even a boat launch and the ability to moor up to a 50-foot pleasure craft. You'll be swept away by this beauty on the bay. Please contact us to arrange a private viewing appointment.